then connect it into your own program. So asam, so same day one. So pasuro nyo lang pa database PHP myadmin localhost / PHP myadmin. Then i-click nyo yung new. Then create database. So ano ba ingan sin database? So i-rename ta siya as system analysis. Then create. Then first dahinang is database, then next is table. So pilain example, we're going to manage a user. And then okay. So create muna kita nyo as admin muna para makalagin kita. Then later on is the user. Okay. So kakunan niya database, in every table there must be a unique key or primary key. Tawagon. So you can rename it as admin ID. So in admin ID, nakabidda ding ha katan in value niya. So siya lang in unique. And it is generated by the computer automatically. Bukod na kita in mag-insert kanya doon. Then kakunan ta in name and username and password. Okay, so for the admin ID, dapat i-click nyo in AI or auto increment, means automatic siya mag-flash every time kita mag-add data. Then link values, i-remain nyo lang wailoon, and for the name is variable character. Then for the link values, so dalion nyo biya in bakawa in name, sinamuktaw, iluon nyo pa database. So mga pila letters ba in taon. So pwede maximize ta into 50 letters. So kamaman din in username pag ginangon. So composed of 50. Kasi bang siya kulangon mag-error sub in program niyo.
Yes sir.
And then save. Okay, so on nakita nyo admin table. So pwede ta na siya i-connect on your program. In your program, lawakon nyo rin din folder na in-name niya is connections. Okay. Then connection.php. So rin din connection.php, ibutang nyo rin bang aon passwords in database nyo or sin SAM, ibutang nyo rin din password. Then database stands for database name. So ano ba ingan si database na kainan?
Oh sir.
Ingan. System analysis. Okay. So yun ipindan nyo na. Ano ningyan nyo database nyo, amayon in ibutang nyo roon. Then the rest is pwede ka mong pindahon. Ito lang, database name lang. Okay. So using this line of code, connected na in code nyo into your database. And then balik kita pa index.php. So rin di ba on kita rin di output na mag-input sin email address or the username even sin password. So kakunan tayo check yaon bang siya magsibo even sin bang unuin butang taha database para makalagin.
Yes sir.
Okay. So next naman tayo is so ay paluon in database na to. So to insert data, i-click nyo in insert. And then on the other side, i-provide nyo in information inside the box. So, name, username, and password. Okay. So, name. So, example, Aziz. Ano yung family name mo, Aziz? Ain. Yun na. Then, Main at okay. Okay, so mayon yung username ta, and then password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So mayon ini-check ta bang siya magsibo daywan sin i-input i-user. For the admin ID, di na ka magbutang value roon. So generate anda siya sin computer. And then go. Okay, so ano na kita ang buong data inside of our database. So biyarin ta siya sa query. Okay, so for the email, lawakon nyo in box yet to. Bang ano siya nakabutang. So yari siya email input. So naka-comment na yan. Magkawa bootstrap. Kaya tanan nyo na siya. Ano siya comment. Email input, then type is email. So kakunan nyo siya rin di butangan name is to. So i-name ko siya as username. And then for the password, input name is to password. Okay. So basta siya i-connect into our database to query. So on code di atas na hinang punasal, so pwede i-edit nyo lang. So if is set post login, so ano yung meaning niya sa ini? On the form, on HTML form, we have two types of transmitting the data. Bangta clinic in button niya on sign in, meaning mag-transmit siya data. So, ang kita dua method, the get, even sin, post. So, pag get, kakitaan niya in data, mag-display din di. Bang isang post, so naka-hide in data. So, for login, yung kakunanta method for transmitting the data is post. May ta post. Kasal di man dyan kakitaan na URL in username, even sin, password. So, dapat method to post. And then, lawakon nyo in sign in na button. Sama ini. Button, submit button. Then, name is sign in. So, kakunan taray sa rename. So, name is to login. Okay. So, meaning, pag-click ta, tawakon niya in login button. So, ano siya tawakon? So, mag-render siya mari program on the top. If is set post login, meaning bangka clinic in button niya to, name niya is login. Kawaon niya in data along sin username, even sin password. So, kawaon niya in post username and post password. So, amunaw niya to. Amon, yari sab, nakabutang. So, diba, rename to siya as username, even password. Okay. So, may encounter nyo in pagyanon MySQL query. Sa manini. Select all from the name of your table. Kung name si table ta? Admin. Okay. So, maninang takay na table. Where username. So, bangon yung butang nyo rin. Diba yung butang ta is username and password. So, where lang niya in username niya is to username. Meaning, i-match niya maripa post. Iban sin na database. So, ini i-query tanin na lang sin database and then i-match na bang siya sibo na iban sin the user. So, if the result is greater than 0, bangon kasibo username, i-check tayo sa bin password. So if the password is equals to password, then session, so mag-provide kita session user ID is equals to user ID. So para makawa ta in ID, ini. So amo ini kakunan ta kawaon down ta into the next page. Else, script wrong username or wrong password. Okay? So bento in closing program na to. So yari ra ang ka-page na sila for the login front end. So hindi di amin front end ta. Amon yari. Amon kikita ta. Amon kikita na to di ba? Amon ini. So in back end ta, PHP is on the top. So mag-start siya rin di opening tag na PHP, then closing tag na PHP. Okay, so that is for the login. So try na to. Okay, so ilagin ko muna in wrong username and password. Sign in.